Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the channel where we bring you honest and simple tech reviews. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 11. It's here, and we've been testing it out to see what's new, what's better, and if it's worth your money. Whether you're upgrading or just curious, this review is for you. At first glance, the Apple Watch Series 11 looks very similar to the previous model. But when you wear it, you start to feel the small changes Apple made. The body is still sleek and rounded. It's made of premium materials that feel solid and smooth. You can get it in aluminum, stainless steel, or titanium. All finishes look clean and elegant. Apple has kept the same great build quality we expect. It feels light but strong. The buttons are tight and clicky. The digital crown now has better haptics, giving you more precise control. There's also better water resistance. You can swim with it, shower with it, or get caught in the rain without worry. The design is simple, but premium. The screen on the Series 11 is one of the best. It's a bright old display with crisp colors and deep blacks. The bezels are super thin, so you get more screen space in the same size. It's great for reading messages, checking your heart rate, or using apps. The always-on display is even brighter now, making it easier to see in sunlight. It adjusts automatically based on the lighting around you. That means better battery efficiency too. The touch response is quick and smooth. Every swipe, tap, or scroll feels natural. And the animations are fluid, just like using an iPhone. When it comes to performance, the Series 11 is fast. Apple added a new chip, the S9 Pro, which brings noticeable improvements. Apps open instantly. Switching between functions is lag-free. Even Siri feels faster. Everything just works without delay. The watch also handles background tasks better, so it can track your workouts, monitor sleep, and keep notifications coming, all at once. This is not just a fitness tracker, it's a full computer on your wrist. Whether you're checking the weather, controlling your music, or getting directions, the Series 11 delivers top performance. Apple also made smart upgrades to the software. It runs on the latest version of watchOS. You get new watch faces, better widgets, and improved health tracking features. There's a new double tap gesture too. You just tap your thumb and finger together to control the watch. It's helpful when your other hand is busy. This is great for answering calls or starting timers while you're cooking, walking, or holding something. The UI is also more customizable now. You can arrange apps and widgets how you like. The watch feels more personal than ever. One area Apple really focused on is health. The Series 11 now gives more accurate heart rate tracking. It has a new sensor for measuring stress levels. It can even detect signs of low oxygen or irregular heartbeats, and yes, it still does ECG scans. There's also better sleep tracking. It tracks different sleep stages and gives you tips for better rest. If you're active, it tracks dozens of workout types with good precision. If you're not, it gently reminds you to move. It feels like a little health coach on your wrist. And all your data is synced with the health app on your iPhone. Battery life has always been a challenge for smartwatches, especially with a bright display and lots of features. The good news is, the Apple Watch Series 11 does a little better. You get about 18 to 24 hours with normal use. That includes fitness tracking, always-on display, music control, and notifications. If you turn off always-on and use low power mode, you can stretch it close to 36 hours. Not amazing, but better than before. Charging is fast though. In around 45 minutes, you get up to 80%. That's enough to wear it all day after a short morning charge. It uses a magnetic charger like before, and it works smoothly. If you play games or do creative work, a smartwatch is not the first thing you think of. But still, the Series 11 can be useful. It can run small games or creative tools like drawing apps, voice memos, or music mixers. With the new chip, those apps run better and crash less. But the screen is small, so don't expect full creative power still. For reminders, quick notes, or controlling your iPad while drawing, it's helpful. You can even use it as a remote for your camera or to control presentations. It supports creators in small but useful ways. Speakers on the Series 11 are loud and clear for a watch. You can take calls, talk to Siri, or listen to short voice messages. The sound is decent for its size. Don't expect deep bass, but you can hear people clearly. For music, it's best to connect Bluetooth earbuds, but in emergencies or quick chats, the built-in speaker works fine. Microphones are also improved. Siri hears your commands better, and call quality is sharp. Even in windy or noisy areas, people can hear you clearly. The watch connects easily with your iPhone. Setup is simple and fast. It also supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and optional cellular models. If you go with the cellular version, you can leave your phone at home and still get calls, messages, and stream music. That's great for runners or people who want to stay connected on the go. NFC for Apple Pay works great, so you can tap and pay anywhere. GPS is fast and accurate, useful for workouts and maps. And if you use smart home devices, you can control them from your wrist. Everything works smoothly with the Apple ecosystem. Now let's talk about price. The Apple Watch Series 11 starts around $399 for the base model. If you go for stainless steel or titanium, or add cellular, the price climbs. Some models can go over $700. It's not cheap, but you're paying for quality, performance, and deep integration with Apple devices. Compared to cheaper smartwatches, the difference in speed, design, and features is clear. If you already own an older Apple Watch, like Series 7 or 8, you might not need to upgrade unless you want the new features. But if you're using something older or switching from another brand, the Series 11 feels like a big step up. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a stunning display, fast performance, smooth software, and excellent build quality. Health tracking is more advanced. The new gesture control is helpful, and integration with the Apple ecosystem is seamless. On the downside, battery life is still just okay. It's better than before, but not as long as some other fitness watches. Also, the price is high. And if you're not deep into Apple's world, you might not get full value from it. So what's the final verdict? The Apple Watch Series 11 is one of the best smartwatches out there. It looks great, works fast, and packs serious health tools into a small device. Apple didn't reinvent the watch, but they made small upgrades that matter. If you want the best smartwatch for iPhone users, this is it. If you care about health, fitness, and staying connected, it delivers on all fronts. But if battery life or price is your biggest concern, you might want to explore other options or wait for a deal. Still, for most users, it's a fantastic upgrade and a solid buy. Thanks for watching this review on Tech Vibe. If you found it helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week to help you stay updated on the latest tech. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Apple Watch Series 11. Would you upgrade or skip this one? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected with Tech Vibe.